Hello everyone, welcome to this session on Microsoft Excel. In this video, let us explore more about filter. In the previous video, we have discussed about sorting. So sorting and filter comes under the same submenu under home. So we will explore what is the need of filter and how do we filter data from a given set of cells. Select the title here, that is the headings of each cell when I need to perform a filtering option. Otherwise, the first row is considered as the title for filtering. So here I have used filter, and then I can see that I can filter the range of cells based on the option which is available here. So imagine I want the all those details of students who got marks 50. I click on a small arrow here for subject 1. So I click on a small arrow here, then I can deselect all this. I remove the selection and I select only 50. So it means that I need all those details of students who got marks 50. Let's see how many students have got marks 50. So I say okay. Okay, there is only one student who got marks 50 in subject 1. Now if you want to remove this filter, click on the small arrow mark there, clear filter from mark subject 1. So let me check whether I have any two similar marks. Okay, I have 34 here, which is appearing twice. So let's see how many students have got marks 34. So select 34. So I get the details of students who have got marks 34 in the first subject 1. I can remove the filtering option by saying clear filter. Now similarly, there is a option here called number filters. So if you want to check all those students who have got numbers between two values, I can choose go to number filters and say between. So I'll say is greater than, I want all those students details whose marks in subject 1 is greater than or equal to, let's say 50. And I select and is less than or equal to 80. So let's filter all those information of the students whose marks is in the range of 50 and 80. So I get all those students details whose subject 1 marks is within the range of 50 to 80. Go for number filters. I want all those students whose marks or top 5 students, okay, in the subject. So I can reduce this. I'll say top 5 students in subject 1. Okay, so this is a list of top 5 students in subject 1. When you select this, I have 6 rows here. The reason is I have 56 as the marks as 56 for two different students. So both the 56 are selected, and that includes in the top 5. Since there are 256, I am getting 6 students. Okay, so that is it about filter. You can clear the filter clicking on clear filter. You can apply filter to any of the columns. I can say I want all those students whose mark is except 12. The details of students whose mark is except 12. So you get details of students whose mark is other than 12. I can make changes to it to say that okay, I want all those students whose information is given like this, 58 who has marks 50, 80 and 90. So I get all the information of students who have marks grade 50, 80 and 90. Out of this, I want only students who has marks greater than, see, I can apply filtering to multiple columns. So here for the subject 2, I want all those students who has marks 50, 90, 80 and 100, and out of that I want all those students who got marks greater than 80 in subject 1. Oh, forget 80. So let's say greater than 70 in subject 1. So when I say this greater than 70 in subject 1, it performs filtering first on the subject 2 column and then on the subject 1 column. So I have these information. Okay, so this is about filter. So it is very important that you should know the concept of filter in Microsoft Excel. It helps you when you have a large amount of data in a particular Excel sheet and you want to you want to visualize the data. You can use filter option wherein you can filter items and then see different patterns that is appearing on the data. Yeah, that's all for this session. Thank you.